What if the sun suddenly turned into a black hole? It sounds like the end of the world. But the reality is even more surprising. If the sun suddenly disappeared and in its place, a black hole with exactly the same mass appeared, Earth would not be sucked in or thrown into chaos. That's because the gravitational force would remain the same. Our planet would continue orbiting the black hole just as it orbits the sun today. But that's where the real problem begins. No light, no heat, no life. Black holes emit no light or heat. In just 8 minutes, the last rays of sunlight would reach Earth, and then total darkness. Temperatures would begin to drop rapidly. Within days, the planet would enter an eternal winter. Climate collapse. Within about 1 week, the average global temperature would fall below freezing. Oceans would begin to freeze at the surface. Plants would die without photosynthesis. Without plants, the base of the food chain would collapse. Atmosphere at risk. Over thousands of years without solar energy to keep the atmosphere active, much of the air could condense and freeze, making Earth increasingly uninhabitable. No explosion, no suction. Despite being a black hole, it would not swallow Earth. Unless the planet moved dangerously close to the event horizon, which would not happen, the orbit would remain stable. The final fate, Earth would become a dark, frozen, silent world, drifting through space, eternally orbiting a dead sun. A surprising conclusion. The greatest danger is not the black hole's gravity, but the absence of light and energy. Without the sun, Earth wouldn't explode. It would simply freeze to death.